You will get to know the 9 money habits of millionaires, and you could also adopt these habits. Watch this video till the end. Now let's start. Number 1. Rise early. Emulating the habits of successful leaders. Many of the most successful individuals start their day at the break of dawn, often around 4 or 5 in the morning, a routine frequently observed among those who have achieved significant wealth. Waking up earlier enables you to maximize your productivity throughout the day and gain a competitive edge in reaching your goals. It is no surprise that many of the most successful and wealthy individuals, including Jeff Bezos, highlight the importance of starting the day early after a restorative night's sleep. Interviews conducted by a renowned television interviewer reveal that most billionaires rise at approximately 5:30 a.m. Many successful leaders attest that it enhances productivity and energizes individuals to tackle their responsibilities effectively throughout the day. Moreover, a significant number of individuals choose to initiate their day with a run or partake in various forms of physical activity upon waking. Number 2. Establish objectives that are precise and comprehensive, akin to the approach taken by Jack Dorsey. Those who are focused on their objectives and express their ambitions with clarity and precision are counted among the billionaires. Goals must be specific and well-defined. Ambiguity and generality have no place in our strategy. Each day, week, month, and year, as well as looking further ahead, there are specific objectives that billionaires aim to accomplish. They possess clear and precise goals, fully understanding the measurable objectives they aim to achieve, along with the necessary steps required to reach those targets. Successful individuals meticulously document their strategies, maintaining confidentiality until they realize their goals. Adopting this habit is straightforward. Simply document your goals in a notebook or a Google document. It is advisable to initiate this practice on a manageable scale, beginning with a 1-week plan, then extending to a 1-month strategy, and progressively beyond. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to discover more habits of successful millionaires. Number 3. Continuously seek knowledge and self-education, emulating the approach of Warren Buffett. Individuals who consistently seek new insights and understanding are the wealthiest among us. They are passionate about reading and committed to continuous learning. Warren Buffett has stated that he allocates 80% of his day to reading. The drive for knowledge is a key factor in the success of billionaires, and this ambition can be fulfilled through a diverse range of reading materials, including business journals, news articles, and even straightforward books. Mark Cuban, a prominent investor, dedicates 3 hours each day to reading, ensuring he stays informed across the various sectors in which he operates. Reading is an activity they engage in consistently at the same time each day, demonstrating a strong commitment to a disciplined schedule and a focus on routines. Devoting a dedicated hour to reading will yield significant benefits. You will acquire valuable knowledge while simultaneously cultivating a habit of punctuality. Number 4. Surround yourself with successful individuals and those who care about you, much like Mark Cuban does. High-achieving and skilled individuals who provide exceptional guidance and mentorship are the ones that influential leaders choose to surround themselves with. Surrounding yourself with individuals who inspire and motivate you is crucial for achieving long-term success. To maintain a grounded perspective, it is essential to allocate time for your loved ones, including family, friends, and others who hold significance in your life. Mark Cuban prioritizes his weekends for family time, focusing on maintaining a normal schedule to foster strong relationships. This illustrates that hard work alone is insufficient. Enjoying oneself is equally important for overall success. Number 5. Cultivate a positive and resilient mindset, drawing inspiration from Amancio Ortega. Successful individuals possess a mindset characterized by optimism and resilience, allowing them to overcome the challenges and setbacks they face in their journeys. Constantly seeking new avenues for innovation and the launch of groundbreaking initiatives, they can be found. Success is never guaranteed is a statement made by Amancio Ortega, the founder of Zara. He emphasizes that one of the most detrimental traits an entrepreneur can possess is complacency, and that it is crucial to pursue new opportunities. He emphasizes the importance of seeking out new opportunities. A mindset that embraces optimism and resilience is essential for achieving the importance of ongoing advancement. Even the wealthiest individuals face challenges and setbacks. However, they choose to advance and continue their journey rather than letting these obstacles hinder their progress. Number 6. Contribute to the community and endorse philanthropic initiatives. Following the example set by Richard Branson, billionaires are widely recognized for their commitment to generosity and their active support of diverse philanthropic initiatives. A significant number of billionaires have created foundations to allocate financial resources towards their local communities or causes they are passionate about. Richard Branson has pledged $3 billion to support the fight against climate change over the next decade. Bill Gates founded the Gates Foundation, focusing on addressing critical global challenges including poverty, health disparities, and inequality. Mackenzie Scott, previously married to Jeff Bezos, is recognized for her philanthropic efforts. She allocates a significant portion of her wealth to diverse charitable organizations and initiatives worldwide. Number 7. Integrate physical activity as exemplified by Bill Gates. Every successful individual understands the importance of upholding a healthy lifestyle. When an individual achieves success, irrespective of their age, it is highly likely that they follow a specific diet and exercise regimen. It is important to recognize that millionaires engage in a variety of activities beyond just their fitness routines. A significant number of individuals engage in sports as it enhances their clarity of thought, fosters discipline, and cultivates persistence. Incorporating sports into your daily routine can significantly enhance your chances of achieving success in business. Meditation is a practice that numerous successful individuals employ to enhance their mental well-being. Their diets are well-balanced, and they refrain from unproductive behaviors. Engaging in social gatherings with colleagues can be beneficial at times, but it is not a consistent priority. We observe that affluent individuals participate in business gatherings and cultivate strategic relationships. However, many tend to conflate this with their everyday routines and discipline. Number 8. Develop a structured daily agenda inspired by the efficiency of top leaders. To optimize productivity, Elon Musk segments his daily tasks into 5-minute intervals. By establishing a clear daily plan and adhering to it meticulously, we can significantly minimize the time spent determining subsequent actions or becoming distracted by extraneous responsibilities. During the planning phase, many billionaires prefer to schedule key meetings early in the day, capitalizing on the time when individuals are most alert and energized. Another strategy is to designate a specific time of day when your productivity peaks, allowing you to tackle the most demanding tasks effectively. Number 9. Allocate your resources wisely, emulating the approach of Mark Zuckerberg. When envisioning Mark Zuckerberg, the image that comes to mind is not one of formal attire like a coat and tie, but rather casual wear such as jeans and a tracksuit. Many billionaires prioritize spending only when absolutely necessary, choosing not to indulge in ostentatious displays of wealth. Billionaires demonstrate a keen ability to manage their spending, allowing them to preserve their wealth and strategically reinvest when they exercise prudence. It is important to recognize that this does not apply universally to all billionaires. This practice is straightforward to implement. All it requires is depositing your funds into a savings account and evaluating each purchase decision carefully. I advise against utilizing credit cards for your purchases during this process. Please subscribe to our channel to help us hit our first 1,000 subscribers goal.